how to uninstall Kakaotalk app on your device. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how to uninstall Kakaotalk app on your device. For this, locate the Kakaotalk application on your home screen. Now once you locate it, all you have to do is long press on the app and you will get many options right here. Just tap on remove app and tap on delete app right here. And tap and delete again and your Kakaotalk will be deleted. The next thing you can do is go to settings on your device. Here scroll down and tap on general. Here tap on iPhone storage. Now from here scroll down and search for Kakaotalk. Tap on it. Now you can see delete app right here. Tap on delete app and tap on delete again. And just like that, your Kakaotalk will be deleted from your device. That's it. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.